Alright, y'all, we back with the caliber rear retune. Alright, y'all, we gonna take some of this and we just gonna smear it on here and rev it in before we put our clamp on. Just so it has some on there, but we gonna put some on the other clamp. So we just want this to be on there to help keep the temperature. That way everything up under that clamp is good, keep it from seizing up and stuff like that. So we'll get this on, then we'll get to the slides, y'all. Hold on. All your lubing points. Here. Everywhere you see contact at, y'all. Alright. Alright, y'all, we got some more lube. We're gonna take this right on the backside. All the contact points. We're gonna a little bit on the inside. We're gonna a little bit more on the inside. We're gonna put some on the pad, but we just, like I said, we just wanna make sure we got some on here, y'all. So, alright, y'all, that's the bottom one. And let's do the same thing for the top one. Thing over there too. Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a minute. Alright, y'all, y'all see we got our clamp all lubed up. I'm putting that on the back. Then put a little bit on the back. Alright, y'all, we got that. Rub it in. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put this in here. And pause it. We'll go to the next step. Alright, y'all, back. See our brake pad. Take that, burn it all the way down to the metal. So we can have something to slide on. I'm just using my file cutter. Power drill might, with this brush might not be it, but I won't be it. Alright, y'all. Do the top and the bottom. Alright, y'all, gotta clean that. Alright, y'all, we putting lube at all the contact points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Well, 1. Yeah, all around here, y'all. The only way is all the places you're putting your lube at. Wherever it's contacting it. So you put it on here. It's already ready. See that? Alright, y'all, gotta do our outside pad. Alright, y'all, I want cleaned off. Gotta put some lube on it. Alright, y'all, got all our contact points. Lube. Slap right in place. Alright, y'all, we gotta go up here to caliber next. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back with our caliber. Scrub down. We just gonna get all this surface rust off of here, y'all, like this. And we're gonna sand all around this boot a little bit. So we can get the caliber to move where it's supposed to. Alright, y'all, hold on. Alright, y'all, we're gonna take our lube and just gonna squeeze some up in or all around the boot. And that way it'll have some, it won't get stuck. Rub it in. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the hookup on how to keep your brakes and stuff good. I'm about to put it back together. Oh, my bad, y'all. Put a little bit on this lip too to help control the temperature and keep it sticking of your pad to your caliber. Alright, y'all, we got everything good. Be right back. Alright, y'all, just a little quick tip. Y'all see how all this debris got trapped down in here? We're just gonna go in here and go and move it so we can get some of this brake dust to leave out of here. Ain't nothing but crept up brake dust. Hold on. Alright, y'all, back with our screwdriver. Alright, y'all, we're just gonna take our screwdriver in here. I'm just gonna knock all the rest of this crust out. All right, y'all got that.